from Shenzhen Green Plastic. Today I introduce the macaron packaging for you. And you know macaron is a kind of cookie, so we must choose the food grade material to pack them. PET material is a food grade material and it can touch food directly. We usually use the 0.4 milliliter PET material to do the macaron blister packaging, and the thickness of material can be customized. Clear PET can display your macaron clear. Our exciting macaron blister packaging have 2 packs, 3 packs, 5 packs, 6 packs, 10 packs, 12 packs, 30 packs, and 24 packs. If you want the different styles and the agreement model, we can customize it for you. By the way, there are some difference between this blister packaging. Some macaron blisters have the buckles, which can close the blister tightly. If you don't want to use the box, the blister with buckles would be a good choice. Some macaron blisters don't have the buckles, so the blister cannot be closed safely. Usually, it's matched with a box. Due to the surface of the blister is not flat, it cannot be printed. We can make a printed box to pack the blister. For the box, we have the clear box, first clear box, and the paper box. The clear box can show your macarons clear. First clear box makes your macarons look more mysterious. If you want eco-friendly material packaging, the paper box is your best choice. Except for the 24 pack. All our exciting macaron blister packaging comes with a fitting box. If you want more details, welcome to contact us through the following ways.